Welcome back to Winning Wealthy, where a winning attitude will take you to wealthy altitudes. Have you ever dreamed about quitting your day job to become your own boss? Working from anywhere in the world with complete flexibility. Affiliate marketing could be the key to achieving that dream lifestyle. However, you may be skeptical about whether it's truly possible to make a full-time living through affiliate marketing alone. After all, getting started seems simple enough, but how difficult is it really to start earning real money? The reality is that while affiliate marketing does offer the blueprint for freedom and independence, it takes careful planning, execution of a sound strategy, and persistence to reach profitable levels. If you put in the time and effort to learn the ropes, affiliate marketing has proven itself for thousands as a sustainable business model. In this comprehensive guide, I'll share the step-by-step process I went through and lessons I learned along the way to help you avoid common pitfalls and maximize your success with affiliate marketing. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether pursuing this career path is a smart choice for your goals and what it really takes to make it work. You know, when we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing often pops up as a buzzword. But what is it really? Think of it as earning a commission by promoting products you believe in. It's not just about making a quick buck, it's about connecting the right people with the right products. Now, this world of affiliate marketing is vast and full of potential. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale up, I'm here to guide you through it all. So let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing together and explore how it can be a game changer for your financial journey. But before I continue, please do us a favor by hitting the like, subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date when I upload new videos. Now let's get started. The basics of affiliate marketing. All right, let's break down the basics of affiliate marketing in a simple way. Imagine you're recommending a product you love to a friend, and then getting a thank you note in the form of a commission when they buy it. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You promote a product and in return, you earn a percentage of the sale made through your recommendation. It's a win-win. This concept has been around for a while, evolving with the internet. From small beginnings, it's now a key part of the digital marketing world, empowering individuals and companies to earn revenue through recommendations. It's like being a bridge between a great product and the people who need it. Market size and growth. Moving on to the market size and growth in affiliate marketing, it's an area that's been booming. The digital world is expanding, and with it, the opportunities in affiliate marketing are growing rapidly. We're talking about a market that's not just big, it's enormous and still growing. This growth means more opportunities for you and me. We're at a point where understanding and tapping into this market can open doors to potentially lucrative revenue streams. It's an exciting time to be part of this journey, as the possibilities in affiliate marketing are only limited by our creativity and effort. Types of products and services. In the world of affiliate marketing, the variety of products and services you can promote is vast. From digital products like software and ebooks to physical goods like fashion and electronics, there's something for every interest. The key is to find a niche that resonates with you and your audience. Each product category has its own appeal and earning potential, and understanding this helps you make informed choices about what to promote. By aligning your promotions with your interests and audience needs, you can create a more authentic and successful affiliate marketing strategy. Profitability in affiliate marketing. When it comes to profitability in affiliate marketing, the potential is significant but varies widely. Your earnings can be influenced by factors like the products you choose, your marketing strategies, and the size and engagement of your audience. Some affiliates earn modest amounts, while others make substantial incomes. It's important to set realistic expectations and understand that success often requires time, effort, and a strategic approach. Building a strong online presence and a loyal audience is key to maximizing your earnings in this field. Getting started in affiliate marketing. Here's a concise step-by-step format for getting started in affiliate marketing the right way. Step 1. Choose your niche. Select an area that interests you and aligns with your audience's needs. Step 2. Pick affiliate products. Find products within your niche that you can genuinely recommend. Step 3. Set up a platform. Create a blog, website, or social media channel for promotion. Step 4. Build and engage your audience. Grow your followers and interact with them regularly. Step 5. Create quality content. Develop content that adds value and attracts viewers. Step 6. Leverage SEO strategies. Use SEO to increase visibility and attract more traffic. Strategies for maximizing profits. To maximize profits in affiliate marketing, focus on identifying the most effective marketing techniques and creating content that resonates with your audience. It's important to continuously test and refine your strategies to see what works best for your niche. Engaging with your audience and understanding their needs can also help tailor your approach for better results. Additionally, staying updated with market trends and adapting your methods accordingly is crucial for long-term success. Challenges and solutions. Affiliate marketing comes with its share of challenges, such as staying relevant in a competitive market and maintaining consistent traffic and sales. Overcoming these challenges often involves staying adaptable, continuously learning, and experimenting with new strategies. Building a strong, authentic relationship with your audience and understanding their evolving needs is also key to long-term success. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a constantly evolving industry that offers countless opportunities for profitability. Through understanding the basics of this business model, recognizing the scope and potential of affiliate marketing, and implementing effective strategies, you can become a successful affiliate marketer. While there may be challenges along the way, such as finding your niche or building a reliable online presence, there are also solutions and tools available to help you overcome these obstacles. And with the future of affiliate marketing looking bright as more businesses turn towards this cost-effective form of advertising, there has never been a better time to jump on board. However, we understand that starting any new venture can be daunting and overwhelming. That's why we want to offer you a special opportunity. Click the link down below to get your hands on the #1 secret affiliate system has helped countless individuals launch wildly profitable affiliate businesses in just 7 days. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your passion into profits. Thanks for watching. We hope it has opened your eyes to the endless possibilities of this field and has provided valuable insights to help you along your way.